Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept of dot separator. So what is the dot separator in VBA Macros? How it is useful while writing the code? We know that VBA is object-oriented language. Hence, objects plays a vital role in VBA Macros. So objects consists of properties and methods. By using this dot separator, user can provide segregation between object and its property or method. So let me explain programmatically. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Here I am inserting a module. I am writing the procedure. Dim RNG as range, set RNG equivalent to range of A1 is to A11. So first I declared a variable which is named as range. So this range object consists of some properties and methods. The moment when the user places the dot separator after the object, RNG dot, immediately application displays Intellisense. This drop down is termed as Intellisense, which consists of properties and methods of the object variable. In programmatical terminology, it is termed as Intellisense. So here we can find all the members of range object. So if the user writes the program in this way, application doesn't allow. We have to provide the segregation between object and its member. So range is the object, value is the member. So application doesn't allow to write the program in this fashion. User has to provide dot between object and its member. Value is the property and range is the object. So what is the purpose of dot separator means? It provides the segregation between identifier and its object reference. In the same way, here I am writing sheet 2 dot activate. Between sheet 2 and activate, here I mentioned dot separator. Let me give one more example by using workbooks object. Workbooks dot add means here I provided the segregation between workbooks object and its add method. So this is the brief introduction about the dot separator in VBA Macros. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.